welcome back to the channel. Sorry that I haven't been posting that much. I've been working and had to figure out my student loans for college. Another 20 grand down the shitter that I owe. So if you ever want to help me out, make sure you hit that subscribe button down below. One day maybe I'll make a few cents off of YouTube that I can put towards my college education. But yeah. We're just gonna ride around a little bit. Who put a chair in my way? I don't even feel like riding the trails. There's not really any trails to ride because back when I had that four-wheeler running, I'd ride all the trails and I had friends over. But now I have nothing. No friends, no nothing. So I'm just gonna ride the roads a little bit. Oh, I didn't want to go this way. I want to go the other way. Well, I guess it loops all the way back around, so it doesn't really matter that much. But holy cow, we're in the middle of a freaking heat wave. This last week has been so nice. It's been like 70s, 80s, like perfect weather, but I've freaking worked every day. And now, as soon as I don't work, it's freaking 102 degrees out. I'm gonna be melting on this fucking bike. Melting, I tell you, melting. I don't know. Time is running out. Time is running out. The summer is drifting away. We're really running out of time because on Friday, so I work tonight and I work tomorrow night, and on Friday I'm gonna be going down to the beach, and I'll bring my GoPro with me, but I can't really promise that I'll actually make any videos or anything. And if it's videos, it's definitely not dirt biking videos, so I don't know. We're running out of time, and then after that I basically have a week and then school starts again. So we don't really have much time together. And you know, my last semester, this next semester is going to be about as busy as last semester was for me. And yeah, it was rough. It was rough, definitely. Like no videos then, so I don't know if I'll find any time to make videos now. I mean, all I have is this bike, and it's not very entertaining 90% of the time, so. I'm entertained, I'm having a good time. I like just cruising around. Pretending that I'm a lot faster than I actually am. Boo! Satisfying to watch even afterwards. So at least I'll have that. Ow! What the fuck was that? Is that like a rock or a fly? I don't know. If it was a fly, that was a big ass fly. You ever see those horse flies? Yeah. It would just hit me in the arm. Probably bit me while it was smacking against me. Oh, please don't say there's fresh oil and shit. Shit to one of the roads up on my house. It made me, yeah, I was pissed, let me tell you what. Anyway, we're going somewhere special today. We're going to the top of the world. Oh, I should steal one of those trucks. Give me a blue one. Give my friend a red one. What you do? Ah, fucking flies. Hit me in the chest again. Wish this bike had a little bit more to it. I need to fix the kill switch switch and the clutch lever. Both are broken as shit. The kill switch does not work, and the clutch lever is broken, as you can see. So I'd want to fix that stuff before we did anything. I think this is the road. Yeah, it is. My bike can't even get up it. Look at this shit. I mean, come on, you can see forever. I'm gonna go up there too. That'd be fun. Yeah, look how steep that is. Holy shit. I mean, it probably doesn't look that steep on the camera, but that shit is steep as hell. Versus. I have to get a good run up. This is a good run up, I guess. Fresh oil and shit. That's stop sign. Stop sign? What stop sign? What is that? Oh yeah, it is a loaded chip.